Welcome. Today I've got two SLGs in the neutral color taupe. I know you're going to want to see this, so keep watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Juanita Michelle. Today I've got an unboxing of two Coach items that I got from the outlet. Got it in the mail. Here's the receipt. I got two things I wanted to match. This is the both of these are in the same color. They are in the color taupe. I'm into neutral colors right now, and I wanted to get not just get one piece, but get two things that matched. So let me go ahead and open it. I've already opened this. So this is the mini skinny. You see it? The mini skinny ID case in taupe with imitation gold hardware, and that's the item number. And this is how it looks. Like I said, I've already opened this, so it come with this would have been wrapped. But isn't this pretty? At first I was gonna get like saddle, and so when they came out with this color, I was like, well, I can get these two and it can match. And these colors can go with a lot more than the saddle would, in my opinion. So here it comes with this key chain, and it's gold. Can you see it? Pretty gold. I just like the gold hardware. If you saw my video of my skinny mini in pink, the unboxing for that, and I was saying that the hardware on that one is silver, but I ordered the gold, but they sent the silver. There's a whole issue with that. You can go and watch that video. I gave you a lot of information about what to do and what to look for when you're ordering from the Coach outlet. You should check that video out. I did that video I think maybe a month or two ago, and it's got a lot of hits because it's got a lot of good information in there. Okay, so let me take this. Wait a minute, let's do this again. Let me take this out. Let's take it out. Let me see if I zoom in. Hold on. There. Suede, a micro suede. Beautiful. It feels good. Very kind of burgundy, deep red color. I like that. And it has two card slots and this expansion piece right here. Another card slot. You can put your ID in here, or ID and more card slots, and this is lined with that same color. And this, let's see, hold on. Made in Vietnam, and then that's the item number down there. Let me zoom out again. And the pull tab has the leather on there, the same color, taupe. It's such a pretty color. Okay, let me do the other one now. Let me put this one to the side. And this one, this is the, wait a minute. This is the large, it's in cross, both of these are in cross grain leather, and this is the large wristlet with the gold chain to it, and it's also in taupe, and this is the item number. And this is how it looks. I shot this quick video today so you can see that all the lines have smoothed out. Let's take this off. Take all these pieces off. And this comes with the gold chain that is not, you can't completely take it off. Pretty, isn't it? Pretty. And it comes with a small little pocket, but it goes, what do you see my hand? It goes all the way down, so you definitely can use it for something. It's got a lot of tissue paper in here, and those moisture packs. Tissue paper. Now this large wristlet, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes with 4 in this side, 4 and 8. It comes with 8 card slots. Can you see that? And it has the same lining as the skinny mini skinny. This is so pretty. I love this color, and this can fit right down in there, just like that. Let's see if it can fit. Let's see, let me see if it'll zip like that. Let me see. Nope. But it fits in like this. You zip it up. Here's the gold detailing. This doesn't say Coach there, right there. And the pull tab is the same as the one on the little skinny mini. Some people call that a little, what do they call it, ID case, or they call it a little mini wallet. And it says Coach on the pull tab. See how that gold is shining? I like that. I like the way the gold plays off of the taupe. It's pretty. And this chain, nice chain. It's nice, you can use it, or if you don't want to use it, you can just carry it as a pouch. This is 8 by 4. Hold on. Yeah, 8. I got a little ink on my measuring tape there. 8 by, no. Oh, okay. It's more like 4 and a half. It's closer to 5. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, you can use this as a clutch. Use it as a wallet, and you can, oops, out of frame. You can use it as a wristlet. Yeah, so it doesn't have Coach. It doesn't have Coach written on here, but Coach is written on the side. Just on this side, Coach. Whoops, sorry, shaking the camera like that. Oh yeah, that's clear. And then Coach right there. There it is. Is it upside down? Yeah, there it is. Coach. So you can wear it like that, or wear it as a, or just put it in your, like a large tote or something. Use it as a large wallet or something. That's it for today. don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on other videos I have coming up. Thank you for watching.